Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by always. Today I share with you how to make the handle of this beautiful beaded bag. If you have seen the part 1 and the part 2, thank you so much. And if you are yet to see that, do well to check it out, and let's dive in making the handle. Okay. So to start with, cut your fire line, the one you can comfortably work with. Okay, now pick 4 bead, insert the 4 beads in the line. All right, now the fourth bead, this fourth bead, you cross your left hand line in it just like so and pull it down. Make sure you have equal length, and this is what you should get. Now pick 3 bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line. The third bead, you cross both line in it just like so and pull it down. As soon as you pull it down, this is what you should get. Let's repeat this one more time. Pick 3 bead, insert one in the right hand line, one in the left hand line, and in the third bead you cross both line in it just like so. Very simple, right? Now continue this process until you get to your desired length by picking 3 bead, insert one in the right, one in the left, and cross both line in the third bead. So do this until you get to 22 rings. Now I've marked it to 22 rings. I need 23. By the time we turn, we are going to have 23 rings. Okay, now pick 3 bead, insert those 3 bead in the right hand line, mind you, right hand line only, and you cross your left hand line in the third bead like so and pull it down. By so doing, your line should be facing the side direction, not on the straight line anymore, because you're about to turn to start the second row. Okay, now pick 3 bead, insert it in the same right hand line. Okay, and in the third bead you cross your left hand line in it. It is so simple. Okay, note this part and pull it down. As soon as you pull it down, you'll see we have started the second row. Very simple, right? Yes. So do want to give this video a thumb up. Okay. Now let's continue. Now that we have started the second row, now my right hand line, I'm going to pass it through the next bead right here, just like so. And now I'm going to pick 2 bead and insert it in the left hand line. Okay, and in the second bead you cross your right hand line in it, pull it down. That is it. Repeat this again. Your right hand line into the next bead. And now pick 2 bead and insert it in the left hand line. And in the second bead, you cross your right hand line in it, just like so, and pull it down. So this is the process we are going to continue to work with until we get to the second to the last bead. Okay, now that we are there, now pass your right hand line into the last bead, just like so. Okay, now pick 2 bead and insert it in your right hand line. Always note that when you want to turn, then you cross your left hand line in the second bead and pull it, and by so doing your line should be facing the side direction like so. Now continue this process until you have 3 rows. Okay, make a turn and mat the third row. I believe you can do that. Now we have 3 rows of 23 rings. All right, now the next thing, just fold it in two. Just fold it like so. All right, now we are going to close it up. To do that, you cut a fresh line, skip the first 3 bead and pass your line through the fourth bead. We are working through the fourth bead. Okay, now pick 1 bead, insert it into the line, skip the first 3 bead and pass your line through the fourth bead. Your left hand line also pass it through the fourth bead. Pull it, okay. It's very easy, okay. Now this is the one we just inserted right in the middle. Now what we're going to do, we are going to pick one bead and cross both line in this one bead and pull it down. Very simple, right? Now our line, the right hand line into the next bead, left hand line into the next bead, okay. Now hold both ends of your line, pick one bead and cross both line in this one bead. Yeah, it is very simple. This is just the process we are going to continue to work with. Very easy, right? Yes. Continue this process, okay? Your right hand line in the next bead, your left hand line in the next bead, and you cross both line in one bead. Yes, very easy. Please do well to hit on the like button, please, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. You can as well join the channel membership, okay. So I'm going to continue this process until I get to this point and leave 3 beads, okay. So now that we are done making the handle, all right, so now we are going to fix the handle on the bag, all right. So this is how it is going to be on it. So now we are going to fix the handle now. Like I said, we have 3 counts, 1 2 3, and we have 5 counts, all right, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we are going to skip this, the first one here and the first one here. So we are working on this 3 bead. So this 3 is going to be on it like so, okay. So to start with, I cut a new fire line and I'm going to pick one bead and insert it into the fishing line, okay. Now I'll pass my one of the line into this third bead, 1 2 3, okay, into it like so. And this one I'm going to count 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and I'm going to pass my line into the third one, this third bead, like so. And after which I'll pick one bead and insert it into any part of the line and cross the other one in it like so and pull it. Just make sure you have equal length, like I always say. This is what your work will look like. This is it. Let me show you. This is it. Okay, pull it so tight. Now this, my right hand line, will go into this bead right here, and this one will go into the handle, this bead right here, okay. I hope it is clear enough. I'll pass my right hand line into the next bead on the bag, like so, and this one, the left one, into the next bead on the handle, like so, and I'm going to pull it tight, okay. So once that is done, I pick one bead, insert it into the line and cross the other one in it like so and pull it down. So this is it. Now my right hand line is going into this bead and my left hand line into this bead, okay. Once that is done, I pick one bead, insert it into this line, cross the other one in it and pull it down. So this part is done. So we'll continue to fix it straight, okay. Now for this side, I just straighten the handle, the 3 parts, okay. My line is going into this bead and this one into this bead. I pick one bead, insert it, cross the other line in it and pull it. So this is it. This line is going into this next bead right here, and this one into this bead right here. I pick one bead and cross both lines in this bead, pull it down, make it so tight. Okay, so now we are going to fix this side as well, just like this. So my right hand line is going into this third bead, and this one into the third bead from the handle. I pick one bead and cross both lines in this one bead, like so, and pull it. My right hand line now is going into this bead. And my left hand line is going into this bead. Pull it so tight, okay? Then my right hand line is going into the next bead. And my left hand line into this bead. I pick one bead and cross both lines in this one bead. So this is the last one. My right hand line into this bead. My left hand line into this bead. Then I'm going to pick one bead and cross both lines in this one bead. So that is that. We are done fixing this part. So I'm just going to pass my line through some of the beads and knot, and after knotting, pass it through some beads and cut it out. All right, that is just it. So I'm going to repeat the same process I made here, the same process here for this part as well. All right, it is as simple as that. So this is the end of the handle, and this is the end of her beautiful pure white box beaded bag. See how beautiful it is. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. God bless you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turned on the post notification so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.